This is a brand new 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 5.3-liter V8, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include the convenience package, the appearance package, a locking rear differential, a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear view camera, a remote start feature, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: XM satellite radio, big 18-inch wheels, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, active fuel management, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and power adjustable gas and brake pedals enable you to change their height and distance to fit your body rather than you fit to their positions. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.